Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily share your Instagram post to Facebook without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into Instagram and Facebook on your mobile phone. Once you're all set up, the easiest way to share your Instagram post to Facebook is directly from Instagram. Start by opening Instagram and tapping the plus sign at the bottom center to create a new post. Select the post you want to publish, whether it's a photo or a video, and tap Next. Now you'll land on the page where you can add a caption to your post. You can write your caption or leave it blank, whichever you prefer. Then, scroll down and tap on More Options. On the More Options page, scroll down and you'll see the Automatic Sharing section. You'll notice Threads and Facebook are both checked. Make sure the Facebook option is selected, and that's it. If your Facebook is already logged in on your phone, Instagram will automatically share your post to Facebook every time you post. If you're not logged into Facebook, Instagram will prompt you to log in. Once you do, it'll be set up to share posts automatically. And that's it. Super easy and smart. No need to go into your settings or deal with any long actions. Every time you post on Instagram, it will automatically share to Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.